Years ago, in one of the first houses Liz and I lived in, I got tired of my rakes and shovels and brooms and whatnot falling all over my garage. So I made this little hand tool garage or caddy or whatever the heck it is. It's pretty simple. It's just a square. But it's great because it keeps all of them in one place, and I don't always have these shovels and brooms falling all over the place. Took about a couple of hours, maybe 3 hours. There's a lot of pilot holes and screws holding it together because I want it to be really solid, but not really that difficult. Okay, so, oops, didn't mean to do that. How are we doing?
Good, because it's more.
Except for do you think that we're going to be making it a little bit too long, don't you think?
Yeah.
So what should we do? We should move the wood that way, right? Just a little bit, just like you tell me when. How about that much?
Yeah.
Is that good? Okay, let's check this. Ooh.
That's more on this side.
I think that might look perfect. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to hold it. And I better cut this, huh? Because you're only 12.
I'm only 8.
Oh, 8. Oh. You got your hoodie on? You all ready to go? Ready to go. Yeah, it's the first time I ever saw a piece of wood sitting down before. Okay, now we need to have another one that's the exact same size.
I need you guys to tell me what you're working on real quick.
We're working on a tool garage this double the size of this garage.
I'm
Okay,
sure.
junior samples, over here. Pencil, marking. Straight up, remember? Oh, no, you want to go a little bit, yeah, there you go, like that. So it's right tight. Okay, now here's a quiz. This time, what side of the line are we going to do it? No, you can't guess. This one, right? Why? Because if we cut on this one, it will be too short.
Yeah.
Okay. Sometimes, you know what I do when I have to remind myself? I put an X on the bad side. Since we're going to do that, okay, look, we need to make this so that we can tell. You're going to draw that one. Here we go. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so now, how many screws should we put in? We did 3 in that one, but that was a bigger board. What do you think on this one?
Like
2 maybe?
4 or 5.
Well, no, we did. That was a bigger board, right? So right here, how many should we have? 2 or 3? 2?
2.
Okay, you tell me where. How about right there?
Yeah.
And where? Here? Okay, you do that, and you can do these. About the same. Good. Perfect.